In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get 2 players on Luigi Mansions 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the couch co-op mode that exists in Luigi Mansions 3. You also have a minigame that can host up to 8 players, but usually that's going to require an online membership, and I'm not going to cover that in this video. For this one, the only requirement is an additional controller, or you can separate your Joy-Cons and use one Joy-Con as player 1's controller and the other Joy-Con as player 2's. To do this, first you will have to play the game until you get the briefcase to Dr. Egad. So you need to play until you reach this scene. In here, he is going to tell you that he has created a companion that will go alongside you in exploring the mansion, Gooigi. Once you have Gooigi unlocked, this means that you will be able to do co-op. To start, he's going to tell you how to control Gooigi, so as you can see, you can activate Gooigi with the right joystick. You just press down, and to recall, you press it twice. Basically, just go over the instructions, learn how to use Gooigi. After you are done with this, you can press the plus button at any time or the start button to pause the game, and you will find co-op at the left. If you don't see co-op, just keep progressing through the game until Gooigi is unlocked. After this is done, you can select co-op, and now you will see this message, a mode where 2 players work together, playing as Luigi and Gooigi. In here, go over to co-op, and the game will prompt you to set up the controllers. So you can take apart a set of Joy-Cons, like I said before, or if you have a standalone controller, that also works. It's up to you. Just follow the instructions, connect the controller, and after this is done, you can call Gooigi by pressing any button on the secondary controller or pressing down on the right joystick. Gooigi will be controlled by player 2, and both of you can explore the mansion together. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.